Hi guys, so in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make a thumbnail for YouTube. So the first app you're going to be needing is Fonto, and at first it starts off with a blank canvas, but then you have to choose your photo. So we chose this one, and yeah, you can choose different types of filters, and the one that we're going to be choosing is, it's called Chrome. This one makes the photo that you chose look even more brighter. So if you press anywhere, you can see that it says add text. So you're going to just be adding the text. Then we're going to type how to make a thumbnail. So you're able to do it, you're able to shrink it or make it larger just by tapping size. If you press style, then you could change the colors. You could make it brighter or darker. You can see that this one is a little bit too bright on our hands. It's a little bit too light, so it kind of blends in with our hands. So you could just change it, and we're making it a little bit darker, a little bit brighter, like that stands out a little bit more, because you want it to stand out. You don't really want it to blend in with anything, because then the people won't be able to see. So right here we did a background for it, and we chose a black background. So right here, if you slide to the side, you're able to press curve. But we noticed as soon as we pressed curve with this, it was like black, and it kind of looked a little bit weird. So we put it in this black up here, but no. It just looked a little bit weird. So we chose to not have a background. So all the way down there by width, it says alpha, and if you put it all the way to 0.00, then it'll have no more background. So that's why we put it all the way down here. As you can see right now, it's positioned kind of like a smile for a smiley face. So you can make this, you can make the curve larger or smaller, and this seems like a good little small curve. We're going to add another text, and that's going to be a symbol. We're putting a blank heart just because we want to add, a little bit of pop to it. Okay, so you could also make the symbols bigger, and we're putting it in between the two of us. So this is the one we're adding for the YouTube thumbnail. So the next app you're going to be needing is Pick Jointer. So right here, there's a lot of stuff to choose from. And all those little columns is stuff that you could put your photos in. So there's a lot of different stuff that you could choose. We just chose a blank square, and we're adding a text. So we're doing how to make a thumbnail. And you're also able to position this as you want. Next, you can add some different types of little images. So these are some emoticons that you can add. We also have some fireworks, some foodie stuff, some pop art, and some love stuff. We also have social addict. But we were actually thinking of adding some of this, but then we just decided that we're not. So you could add masks, there's romantic stuff, and music stuff, and just different types. You could also add some sunglasses to someone, if you want to, do it. You could also add a bow to, make it girly. But you don't have to. You don't have to add anything. So you could also add drinks on there too. But yeah, we're going to be adding a nice smiley face. It's like, yay, it's so happy because, this is supposed to be happy. You want to make a thumbnail? If you don't know how to make a thumbnail, this is why we're here. So that's why it's happy. You could also change the font, and we're doing Arial rounded. And you could change the background color. You can make a little background for the words, and you could also change the color of the words. Okay, after you're done doing this, you can position it if you want to make any last touches, and you could also save it. Next, you could do some YouTube Studio, and that's how to upload your thumbnails. So you're going to click on the video, you're going to click that little pencil or pen button in the top right corner. You're going to press Edit Thumbnail on that video, then you're going to press Change, and you're going to go on your camera roll, and it's going to change it. We also use Videorama to edit because we edit on a phone, so yeah, these are all of, like, the videos that we've made. We just make some for fun and not uploaded them. But yeah, we don't use iMovie like most people do. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day and bye!